Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on ByBit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the BitSquad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or ByBit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning TA. Good morning, everybody. It's December 8th, 2021. My name's Matty B. That is Scaramucci's. And this is your Morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index is at 28 from yesterday's 25. Bitcoin dominance is at 42%. 24-hour volumes at 105 billion. Heartbreakingly low, I must say. The overall market cap is 2.36 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Well, it's a little bit of a groundhog day today, as the markets have basically stayed put for the past 24 hours. It is day 13 of my rocket shirt commitment, with 3 washes in between and a couple of missing buttons to boot. Well, maybe it's the shirt that's suppressing the price down. I mean, with billions of dollars pouring into the market from institutions and billions more on deck, waiting for the corporate regulatory handcuffs to be taken off so they can protect their cash assets from the decaying dollar, the government slowly stealing it through inflation. And make no mistake, inflation is theft. It's a secret confiscation of wealth applied with a generous amount of lube, as to not raise too many eyebrows or beg too many questions as it's being withdrawn. Of course, Bitcoin fixes this, and beyond the speculative gains one may find in the crypto markets, it's the preservation of wealth and subsequent freedom from tyrannical governments that seduced me here. Save lives by Bitcoin. It's that simple, really. Anywho, over on the daily, we're clinging to the 50K level. We're decaprionating the frozen shard of the Titanic in amidst the sea of carnage. Okay, easy, Matty B. Dial it back, buddy. One might say that you come from a musical theater family with a metaphor like that. Or maybe you just like the movie Titanic. I don't really remember it, actually. I know the boat sinks. That's about it. And amongst this descending channel, we are closer to the bottom than we are the top. If we humor this continuation pattern down, we do have decent support at 48K and again at 46.7. Now that's where we'll meet up with our old friend, the 200 moving average. Isn't that right, Scaramucci's? Now, with such low overall market volume, this is now a whale-rich environment, which means this is where they like to play. They get the most bang for their buck, but barring some whale pumpage, we may have to wait till around the 12th of December to get out of this channel and break to the upside at about 54.8. And at that point, I'm hoping to blast off and up because, like I said yesterday, we have to blow past this 52-53 range in order to invalidate the mother of all head and shoulders pattern from forming. And you can see that in yesterday's video. It's also giving us a bearish engulfing candle kicker. But the day is young still. I mean, as I make this video, you're still asleep, so good morning. Now, a quick look at the 4-hour chart, and you can see we've hit our historic maximum candles of monotony. which is how long price action usually stays in a stiff consolidation pattern. It's right around here, the 4 to 5 day mark, where Michael Jackson does the moonwalk and everybody goes crazy. So keep an eye out for the head fake dip down to the 20 at 49-ish. And a rally back up and hopefully through that 52, 53 dicey level I've been talking about. And remember, we're playing the same game as a psychopathic elected elite. That's right, it's a long game, so zoom out and have a fantastic day. BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Whoa, looked at the camera there by accident. A chit 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 ching.